Welcome to biochemistry, the part of biology where molecules get the spotlight. Think of this as the backstage pass to life's chemistry concert. We'll cover water, macromolecules, and enzymes, the rock stars of biology. Without them, cells would be like a party with no snacks. Exams love this topic because it connects chemistry to biology in ways you can't escape. So grab your metaphorical lab coat. Molecules are way cooler than you think. Water is basically the Beyonce of biology. Everybody talks about it, and it holds everything together. Its polarity allows hydrogen bonds, which give water its unique properties. Cohesion makes water molecules stick together, while adhesion makes them stick to other surfaces. High specific heat means water resists temperature changes, keeping life stable. As the universal solvent, water dissolves more substances than your chemistry teacher's coffee mug. Without it, life would be, well, dry. Carbohydrates are the bread and butter of biology. Literally, they provide quick energy in the form of glucose. Disaccharides, like sucrose, are sweet, but polysaccharides, like starch and glycogen, are the real storage champs. Cellulose builds plant cell walls, which is why you can't digest grass, no matter how hungry you are. Carbs are exam favorites because they're easy to diagram. Just remember, carbs equals energy, and energy equals happy cells. Lipids are the chill kids of biology. They don't mix well with water, and they don't care. Fats and oils store energy, while phospholipids form cell membranes. Steroids, like cholesterol and hormones, keep the cells communicating. Lipids are hydrophobic, meaning they avoid water like students avoid homework. But without them, your cells would leak like a broken water balloon. So, yes, lipids matter, even if they're antisocial. Proteins are the overachievers of biology. Built from amino acids, they fold into complex structures. Their levels of organization, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, sound like Hogwarts houses, but are actually about folding. Proteins act as enzymes, transporters, and structural components. Basically, if biology were a school, proteins would be the students who join every club. Without proteins, cells would fail every exam. Nucleic acids are the instruction manuals of life. DNA stores genetic information, while RNA helps turn that info into proteins. Nucleotides are the building blocks, each with a sugar, phosphate, and nitrogenous base. Think of DNA as the recipe book and RNA as the chef. Without nucleic acids, cells would be like students without Wi Fi, completely lost. Exams love asking questions about base pairing. So memorize AT and GC like your life depends on it. Enzymes are like the teachers who make learning faster, except they don't assign homework. The lower activation energy, they lower activation energy, speeding up reactions. Each enzyme is specific, like a lock and key system. But enzymes are picky, too hot or too acidic, and they denature faster than ice cream in July. Without enzymes, metabolism would crawl slower than a student on Monday morning. So, yes, enzymes are the real MVPs. Metabolism is the cell's economy. Catabolism breaks things down, anabolism builds them up. ATP acts as the currency, paying for cellular work. Coupled reactions make sure energy isn't wasted. Think of catabolism as eating pizza and anabolism as turning that pizza into muscle. Without metabolism, cells would be broke. And nobody wants broke cells. Biomolecules are the unsung heroes of biology. Carbs give energy, lipids store it, proteins do everything, and nucleic acids tell them how. Together, they make life possible. Without them, cells would be like a group project with no leader. Chaos. Exams love asking how these molecules interact. So connect the dots. Remember, biomolecules equal life. Exams love biomolecules almost as much as teachers love grading. You'll be asked to draw and label structures, compare functions, and interpret enzyme graphs. DNA versus RNA differences are a classic question. Practice diagrams. They're like biology's version of doodling. And remember, examiners want clarity, not artistic masterpieces. Stick figures are fine as long as the science is correct. Biomolecules aren't just exam topics, they are real life. Nutrition depends on carbs, fats, and proteins. Genetic engineering manipulates DNA to create new possibilities. Biotechnology uses enzymes to make products, from cheese to biofuels. Medicine relies on understanding biomolecules to treat diseases. So, yes, biology is everywhere, even in your lunchbox. Reviewing biomolecules doesn't have to be boring. Use flashcards to memorize functions. Practice enzyme graphs until they feel like second nature. Connect concepts to real life. Pizza for carbs, butter for lipids, muscles for proteins. Use mnemonics like CHON, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, to remember key elements. And most importantly, laugh while you learn. Because biology is serious, but you don't have to be. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.